What's up guys, welcome to Mini Racers. This is the first episode of the D.I.Y track builder series, and today we're gonna be making a billboard to put it in the track, but you can also use it as display. So here's a 3D model I made in Fusion 360, and to download the STL files to print them yourself, I put a link down in the description. And don't forget guys, if you like what you see here and you want to support the channel, drop the thumbs up and subscribe to Mini Racers. Alright, let's get to work. So if you guys are making this and you take a video or a picture with it, please tag Mini Racers. I would seriously love to see your versions. We now have the frame done, and this is the time to customize our logo or find the perfect picture for our billboard to look sweet. There you go guys, now the track is gonna look more realistic, so more fun. Be sure to subscribe because in this course we're building a full mobile track that you can set and unset in no time. Hey, don't go anywhere, we're getting into action.